In this video, I want to talk about the three-piece brush set available at Harbor Freight. Now, probably you guys have seen the six-piece set, but the six-piece set looks incredibly cheap. This three-piece set with the wider bristles, wider brushes, and tighter bristle pattern, much higher quality. So it comes in nylon, brass, and stainless steel. Now, if you don't know, nylon, you want to use nylon on things that are plastic or soft alloy metals so you don't scratch them. So anytime you're working on like wheel wells on a car or anything like that where you're using plastics, you want to go ahead and use the nylon bristle brush so you don't scratch it. Especially effective, guys, if you combine it with like Simple Green, and this is the Home Depot equivalent in half concentrate, or like Super Clean. If you want to clean, just a real quick tip, if you want to clean like cloth seats in your car, you know, just spray them down, agitate a little bit with your brush, and then get like a microfiber or a rag and just kind of mop up. You do that a few times, and don't soak the seat. Don't get it super soaked where the foam is actually going to get wet underneath. You don't want to do that. But if you just do kind of a light cleaning on your cloth interior, you're going to be amazed at how good your seats are going to look using Super Clean. Now, the brass is used on cast iron or just steel that's not hardened steel. So, you know, if you're working around any type of engine part that's cast metal, any component that's cast metal, I would use the brass because you don't want to scratch the cast iron. And then the stainless steel is used for hardened steel, really, really hard steel. And I'll give you an example. So this right here is a file. This is a Simmons file. This is my favorite file. It's a Simmons file with a Nicholson grip or handle. And what I do is when I'm done filing something, I just take the stainless steel wire brush and I just gently go and pull out all the metal shavings out of the teeth. You don't want to have metal shavings accumulating in the teeth because it reduces the effectiveness of the file, dulls the teeth, and you could mar kind of what you're filing. So this is extremely effective for something like this where you have hardened steel. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to let you know that I feel like these are really good, you know, for $4.99. So like with a coupon, it's closer to like $4. You know, for $4 at Harbor Freight, the wider three-piece set, really like them. Has a scraper too. If you are, you know, using the brushes and you just want to scrape at something real quickly, you can use the scraper end, so that's nice too. And the contour offset grip, the handle angle, is very good. I feel like that's a very good choice for most scrubbing purposes. And, you know, they're big enough to get work done, but they're small enough that you can get into little, you know, small areas. And so very, very effective. So again, I would encourage you guys to get this set, the three-piece set, instead of the six-piece set. I think you're going to get more value for your dollar. So I just want to share that with you. Appreciate you guys a ton. Hope you guys are doing well, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Take care.